Hi guys. So you are looking for a way to trade a Solana Memecoin in your Phantom wallet, and this is the right video for you. So first thing you have to do is to download your Phantom wallet and fund your wallet. You can either use any exchanges that you like, but make sure you fund your wallet with Solana. Okay. After you have already fund your wallet with Solana, okay. So here is my Solana that I want to use. Okay, here's the Solana I want to use. So the platform we are going to use for research will be Dexscreener, and I've already know the specific coin I want to buy. So if you want to know your own coin, or maybe you have a coin in mind, or maybe someone call a coin for you to buy a coin for you, you can either search it here. Okay. So you can find your wallet with Solana. So the next thing is to down below. You are going to see trade on trade radium. Okay, we have now Iridium, we have now Jupiter. So you can see this is Jupiter. Okay, if you click on Jupiter, this is on Jupiter. Okay, so we can now connect our wallet to Jupiter so we can trade this with. But let us go to the Radium, because Radium is what these people are using. And if you check right now, after you connect your wallet, let us connect your wallet. So as you can see, I understand. So I'm trying to confirm this. As you can see, uh this thing is so slow. So that is why I don't normally use Radium to trade. But since you are looking for a way to trade on Solana, on Phantom, this is how you are going to trade up. Okay, so after you are going to, as you can see how slow this thing is. Before you even trade, the trade will have gone, and you won't even know where to get started after people have already take some profit and even dumped some coins on you. As you can see, everything is slow. This is not my system, it's finding the pool. So before even finding the pool, so let's I want to buy half of this coin, and this is the balance of it. So that is why I ate this. Okay, I ate this. So just click on swap. If you want to sell, you have to do the same thing. The people who have pulled out liquidities and everything will have end. So I urge you to just stop using this. Okay, when you can exactly use a bot to snipe it, like bomb boots. The link is already inside the description below. I'm using bomb boots. I've used the unibot. I use this both on Sugar. What I normally use in my life is both, because it's easier to buy and easier to sell. You can sell within one, as you can see, buy, place the wallet and buy it. Sell, sell, select the one we want to sell and sell it. So that is it for profit. So that is how you are going to buy for it. Okay, I've already opened it to give you tutorials, a few tutorials on how you can go about this using a bot. I normally use bots to trade because it's very fast and so efficient. Thank you for watching.